Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand the meaning of one of the very interesting topic of the mathematics, that is linear equation in one variable. First of all, we are going to understand the meaning of individual terms such as linear, then after that equation, one, and at last variable. So what do this term linear actually means? It simply means straight line, or you can also say line without curves. Yes, you must be thinking, ma'am, the meaning of linear is really very simple. Now, moving on to the next term, the meaning of equation. Yes, students, please recall one symbol. You must have been observed many times equals to, as you're able to see over here. Many of you must be thinking, yes, ma'am, this symbol we have observed many times. Now, it plays very important role in the meaning of equation. Equation consists of this particular symbol along with terms mentioned on its either sides. The term mentioned over this side are considered as LHS, and terms mentioned on the next side is considered as RHS. Yes, students, when LHS equals to and RHS are written together, then it constitutes the meaning of equation. So now we have understood the meaning of linear as well as equation. Now moving on to the next term, the meaning of 1. 1 is nothing but the digit 1 itself. Now moving on to the meaning of the last term, that is variable. Students, please recall the term variable you must have heard many times even in your computer and many more subjects. But in terms of maths, it simply means symbols. Yes, student, it simply means symbols, and that symbols can be in any form such as X, Y, Z, or etc. Means many more symbols can be used in order to represent variable in an equation. And why do we use this symbol in the equation? Because the value of this particular symbol is not known, and yes, we are supposed to calculate it. Now, combinedly we will understand the meaning of terms linear equation. Linear equation simply means equation for straight line, or we can simply say equation of first order. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, what do this term first order actually means? First order simply stands for when power is equal to 1. So yes, the equation of a straight line in which the all numeric values and variable have power 1 is considered as linear equation. Now let us understand it with the help of an example. Before writing the example, we should note one thing. It includes 3 major components. First the digit, second variable, and third the power, which should be equal to 1. And by combining all these things, we get the very simple linear equation in one variable, that is x plus 5 is equal to 7. Yes, student, it fulfills all the requirement of a linear equation in one variable, as we have one variable, we have numeric values, and each of them has power 1. So I hope the meaning is very clear to you and it will help you out in solving your concepts further. Thank you.